gonna come in. I think this was the angle. Just gonna start forcing that down a little bit. You need a little bit of width on it. Just gonna plop up there. Get a little tack weld on the side or something. Just gonna bring that out. Gonna take a little bit of flux. Don't need much. Just gonna bring that out. Gonna give it a hit. See, that's all the flux there shooting out. Charcoal. I'm just going to put that there, and we're keeping essentially the weld right about at the edge of the water. See if it works. Yeah, comes out nicely.